Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be carrying out the Akashx investigation, and I'm doing this because one of you sent us a message via email saying, I trust you're well, please can you take a look at the trading platform using your expertise. As you can see, the email akashx.com. So boom, I'm going to swing into the investigation right away. But please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button so when we post a video you will be the first to know. And if you want us to carry out any investigation on any platform at all, send us email via drillabite@gmail.com. That's the email address. So send us an email and we'll carry out the investigation free of charge. Okay, now let's jump right into the platform. So the first thing is the platform itself, and the platform is this akashx.com, and this is exactly what it looks like. Okay, and as you can see, there are I mean, it's a beautiful shiny website, right, with a lot of animations and whatnot. But when we talk about trading platforms, the first thing I want to look at is the regulatory regulatory bodies that are overseeing that platform, compliance issues and all. So a deeper dive into the platform, really we can't find any certifications, whether it's the US SEC or even the cheap ones that are available that can easily be gotten, right, which is the MSB, FinCEN MSB. Nothing like that. Okay, CFTC is not there. No regulatory compliance or certifications available on the website. So that is the first red flag right here. Now we decided to dig deeper and found out that not one but two different regulatory bodies have actually issued warning against Akashx. Okay, and of course I'll go back to some of the users that we reached out to see what the platform is all about. But before I get into that, let's look at the regulatory bodies that have actually issued warning concerning Akashx. And one of them, okay, no, sorry, this is their Telegram. Not this. I'll go to their Telegram. Okay, I'll still talk about this. Okay, so they have like a section on the compliance aspect. I'll talk about it, but I am looking for this MFSA warning. Okay, it loads and it opens up. Look at it. The Malta Financial Services Authority, and this is in 2024, by the way, okay, has become aware of false statements issued on social media profiles of Miss Francisca Garci Bonici on 23rd May 2024, stating that Akashx is confirmed in full conformity with the MFSA. This means Akashx is compliant with any regulations and standards set, ensuring our services are trustworthy, transparent, and legally sound. Now, this is what the MFA had to say. So in May 2024, there was a publication that Akashx is in full compliance with MFSA, and MFSA came out to debunk that statement. Okay, and this is what they had to say. The MFSA wishes to alert the public that this person and Akashx, which you can see, akashx.com, are neither licensed or otherwise authorized under any relevant financial services legislation. The claim being made on social media are therefore false, misleading, and inaccurate. So no regulatory oversight on this platform, even if they claimed or tried to mislead the public in 2024 that they had the they are compliant with this particular Malta Financial Service Authority, and this is not the only one. Look at what they had to say. The MFSA would like to remind consumers of financial services not to enter into any financial service transaction unless they have ascertained that the entity with whom the transaction is being made is authorized to provide such services by the MFSA or another reputable financial services regulator. So, in other words, MFSA is telling you, look, Akashx is not under any relevant financial service legislation, right? Now, this is not the only one. Check out this FMA, okay? And boom, it loads up. So this is it. Financial Markets Authority, and this is what they had to say. This one is recent. Can you see? May 2025. This is very recent. The FMA has been made aware of online webinars hosted by Akashx promoters in New Zealand. Akashx is not authorized to provide financial services in New Zealand. The FMA recommends caution when dealing with Akashx or its promoters. Okay, Akashx is a multi-level marketing scheme offering derivative trading services. Akashx provides trading signals to members recommending trades in foreign exchange derivatives. The derivatives promoted by Akashx are complex, high-risk financial products. Okay? Akashx is not licensed or registered to provide advice about financial products to New Zealand investors. So, of course, you can see that's the warning. They included the websites that are associated with Akashx. So, akashx.com, startytransform.com, wealthmaster101.com, tap to trade. This one is like a popular name, taptotrade.com. So, and this is the email, support@akashx.com. So you can see two different regulatory bodies have actually issued warning against this particular trading company. Now, let me show you another thing that should scare you, and honestly, you should see this. Now, if you look at Akashx, in the disclaimer right down here, it says, look at it, Akashx does not provide direct brokerage services, trading services, or hold custody of any investor fund. The company is also not licensed investment service provider and does not offer any service that will fall under such categorization. Here is a platform that is clearly trading and telling you to join and trade and make money and giving you signals, but they are also telling you the company is not licensed, is not a licensed investment service provider, and does not offer any services that will fall under such category. So, what exactly is happening? And here it says any references to trading or trader on our platform should be understood as notional or fictitious trading on demo accounts. Can you see? So they are telling you, Akashx is telling you that anything you see about trading or trader, we are talking about demo accounts, is just fictitious. It's not real. Okay, that is what they're telling you. Let me also show you what they say on the compliance aspect of things. So if you go on the website and you go down here, they have compliance guidelines. So the compliance guidelines is really, I don't want to read all this, but they are really addressing the affiliates, right? So this is more of an affiliate marketing platform, like a multi-level marketing platform, than an actual trading platform where you trade and make money. Okay, and if you ask me, I would say do not put your money there, because it's a Ponzi scam at the end of the day. Okay, it's a Ponzi scam, and if you decide to go ahead and put your money, make sure you're putting what you can afford to lose. All right, and that will be all from me about this platform. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's see those of you who will be investing. Before I go, one more thing. I reached out to a couple of previous investors, and funny enough, I couldn't get anyone who actually say they've made money. I'm talking about old investors who can actually say, oh, I made money and this is how much I made. No. Every one of them just bailed up on us. So that's it with this platform. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be happy to respond. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.